Hello students, now we'll see about adipose tissue and types of adipose tissue. So adipose means fat. Now these adipose tissues, they are nothing but specialized fat storing cells. These adipose connective tissue or adipose type of loose connective tissue, they are of two types. One is monolocular adipocytes. Here we are using the term like adipose connective tissue. Here we use the term like adipocyte. Means adipocytes are the cells which produce a complete tissue. This one is tissue. Cells that produce total adipose. Now, monolocular also called as unilocular. It means that one single cell has only one largely accumulated type of fat. So we'll write monolocular adipocyte is single cell with central fat globule. Next, cytoplasm and nucleus becomes peripheral. So that we can frame out a diagram like if this is the adipose tissue, this total will be fat globule. Now, with peripheral cytoplasm and nucleus. So that we can write this is nucleus and this will be the cytoplasm. Here, in case of monolocular adipocyte, they form white fat. They form white fat. Next one, multilocular adipocyte. Here, there are many small fat granules distributed in cytoplasm around nucleus. They have many but small fat globules arranged in cytoplasm around the nucleus. Here, cytoplasm content is more. In case of monolocular, we can say mitochondria are less in number, so it is inactive. No. But here, mitochondria are more in number, so it is highly active. Now, Here we have used the term monolocular. It forms, I did not mention here, white fat. I have written here, they form white fat. Like that, multilocular adipocytes, they form brown fat. So here we use a term for brown fat as brown adipose tissue. This one has capital B, capital A, capital T. Here white fat, we use a term like white adipose tissue. So this is also termed as WAT, means white adipose tissue. So where is this white adipose tissue located? Where is this brown adipose tissue located? So if we go for diagrammatic representation, we can write in case of multilocular as there are many cells with more cytoplasm with fat and nucleus, around the nucleus. So we can give this one as nucleus and many adipose tissues. So this dot, red color dots, we can refer as cytoplasm. So these are fat globules. White adipose tissue, examples we can say, location in subcutaneous tissue of the skin. They are means working as thermal insulators. So in subcutaneous tissue, subcutaneous layer of skin as thermal insulators. Another example is in hump of camel or in blubbers of whales. Blubbers is nothing but thick fatty tissue just below the skin. In blubbers of whales, hump of camel, and also in tail of merino sheep. Merino sheep are grown for wool purpose. So in their tail, we have monolocular adipose or fat cells. Tail of merino. Again, I'm using merino sheep are a type of sheep specially grown for wool purpose. Now, coming to multilocular, where is this location? White adipose tissue we can see in adults, especially in adults. But in case of infants and in young newborn children, we can see this one, brown adipose tissue, and also in hibernating animals. So location in infants, next fetus, and hibernating animals. Hibernating means which escape from the changing environmental changes. In winter season, some animals go into the deep burrows, into the earth layers, and they hide there for time period. Such animals are called hibernating animals. Hibernating animals.